Hello, my name is Christian Geronasso, and in the next 5 minutes I'm going to explain to you how SAP Business Suite helps a company run better by connecting business processes and improving operational efficiency. Let's go! SAP Business Suite is a set of connected business systems for finance, supply chain, purchasing, HR, sales, and manufacturing. And instead of working with separate tools that do not communicate with each other, SAP connects everything into one platform using one source of information. When someone creates a sales order, procurement automatically knows what needs to be purchased. The factory sees what needs to be produced, and finance immediately understands the financial impact. Everyone works with the same data, and nothing is done manually through emails and spreadsheets. Today, many companies struggle not because they lack systems, but because their systems are isolated. This causes duplicated data, delays in decision-making, lack of visibility into operations, and higher costs. SAP Business Suite solves this by making processes flow naturally across the company. Work moves from one department to another without waiting for manual follow-ups. SAP's strategy is to connect applications, data, and artificial intelligence. The idea is simple. When all business processes are connected and data is reliable, artificial intelligence can help people work faster and smarter. For example, if an inventory drops below the ideal level, SAP can automatically trigger a purchase order, select the best supplier based on the price and the past performance, and notify finance. No one needs to send emails or check spreadsheets. SAP takes care of the processes. Let's take a look into real-life examples. Let's go! For example, Nestlé. With more than 1 billion products a day, Nestlé is one of the world's largest food and beverages company. And with 2,000 brands, more than 2,000 brands in 188 countries, the company operations are large and very complex. All Nestlé Cloud solutions are integrated and fed into the analytics tools, allowing 275,000 employees worldwide to have a single point of entry to all SAP applications. Another very interesting case here. For 6 decades, Acumuladores Moura has been at the forefront of South America's energy storage industry. To help address new and more complex regulatory requirements around tax accounting in its domestic market in Brazil, the company set out on a digital transformation journey, including moving from an on-premise SAP ERP applications to a cloud applications with Rise with SAP. Let's take a look into some of the benefits that Acumuladores Moura acquired after the implementation. Look, reduction of more than 20% of TCO, 67% faster month-end closing, and reduction of 60% of tickets. And we have more than 2,000 cases in customer stories at SAP. These improvements happened not because people worked harder, but because processes stopped depending on manual effort. In one sentence, SAP Business Suite helps companies to run better by connecting processes, eliminating manual work, reducing costs, and allowing leaders to make faster decisions based on real-time information. As a next step, we can run a short workshop to understand your top business challenges and identify where integration and automation would bring the highest return. Let's take a look into the systems. So now I'm going to show you very quickly. If you get interested into this video and want to know more, get in touch with me or people from SAP to understand better how SAP can work with your area, with your industry, okay? So here, let's say I work for procurement and I need to have a 360 overview of everything that is happening in procurement to understand which tasks I need to prioritize. So without getting into 100 of emails and working through a lot of spreadsheets, here I have a 360 view, and this is 100% customizable. It's data from the actual operation, and here I'm showing procurement. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can do the same for HR, sales, manufacturing. And here I can see, for example, the growth of wallet share of my suppliers during the year. I can see the groups of material that are consuming most part of my budget and everything into one place and connected. This is amazing. Let's take a look into success factors. I have here opened also success factors. And success, it's the portfolio that supports people management, and there are solutions for all the life cycle of a person inside the company. And here you can see the benefit of artificial intelligence combined with process intelligence. With artificial intelligence from Business AI from SAP, I can just click on Insights, and here you see these insights generated in Portuguese because it's on my language, local language here. But you see here all the transcription of the journey of this employee into my company. So I understand if what are the talking points I can bring to the table to discuss if this person should receive or not a higher salary in the next months, or the points that I need to talk with her, okay? This is amazing. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, get in touch with someone from SAP or leave a comment here in this video.